we have the directives. So here the directives, we have the different types, that is ng model, ng repeat, ngIf. So ng model we need to bind the data from TS to HTML, and as well CSS also, and ng repeat means loop will be follows, and here the ng if means conditionally it is happen, so using ternary operator also. Ng click means also it is dynamically it will be printed. So here the ng click already we have executed the program. So here I am going to give the Kavya name. So what happened, it is dynamically changing. First what the name I have given the Jayashree. So here your name hello, it is dynamically printing. So what the name you are going to give, that the name it is printing. So why? So here the y means I have taken the two components. For one I have taken the greetings one, and next we need for UI. So like that I have taken the two components. For that one is greetings card, and next one is directives. Directives 1 2 3. So before that we need to create one component. So for this concept I have created the two components, that is greetings component and next one is directives component. So here the greeting components for I have created one components. In that the TS only I have created, so using ng on it. So it is ng on it means this is the life cycle hooks. In that life cycle hooks, this is one of the property. I'll tell you the further classes. And in the backtick I have created some message for dynamically. So here this dot name, so this is the dot name I have taken from the directive. Okay, I have taken from directive. I am going to matching here. So in the directive this dot name I have taken, I have declared here, just a second. Yeah, here the name. In that name it is a string what I have taken. So after that I am going to binding the data from where from directives dot 1 2 3. So in that name for greetings, so for post the data, let items of items I have taken. Okay, so this is a button, so dynamically it will be printed. You have to give any name over there. So this is the ng model. So ng model means form module. So that form module, new item we need to generate, and the placeholder, the hint of the text. So the form control, for that form controls here the bootstrap classes I have used. So this is the result what we need to done. So this is the using directives, the four concepts I have used in here, what I have tell you in the before the properties.